Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Now in this episode, we will start from the same section that we mentioned in the last episode, as we were discussing about the divide and conquer rule. For example, the tape says, look at questions 1 to 4. It means that you have about 20 seconds to look at those questions. Go over questions, read them, and underline keywords. Keywords are words that contain the main idea of the question. They will help you guess what you will hear. Numbers, opening hours, names, locations. Draw a line under question 4, so you will not look further before it's time. Then you will hear a piece of passage and answer the questions 1 to 4 as you listen. It means that you should be able to write one answer and listen to another. Section 3, for some, is the trickiest part. It involves 3 or maybe 4 speakers talking about something related to their studies. Test 1, listening 3, involves a teacher and 2 students discussing an upcoming test, and the task is to complete the notes you are given using no more than 3 words for each answer. The next important tips will be mentioned in the next episode. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.